Yes, I like grilled chicken.
Anything for drink?
Yes, milkshake.
Orange juice. Wait. Okay. It's your order. It's your order.
Mhm.
Can you ring the bell?
Yes, sure.
Mhm.
Your order is your bill is $50 and 5
Mhm.
Goodbye.
Come again.
Hello, hello. Hi. Table for two or one? Is table for two?
Can you please menu?
Yes, of course. Oh, thank you. What will indeed? I indeed chicken soup.
I indeed fish and salad.
What will drink indeed? I indeed mojito.
Yes, please.
Okay. Did you enjoy your meal? Oh, it's very delicious.
Yes, me too.
Can you bring the bill? Yes, of course. How much? Okay, the $135 pounds.
Okay, thank you.
Will you order? Yes, two chicken burger, please. Okay, here, anything else? Yes, please. I want the first one. Okay, and for you?
I have can I have eggs and sandwiches?
Mhm.
Sure, I'll be right back. Anything to drink? Yes, I'm apple juice. Okay, enjoy your meal. I'll be right back.
Okay.